Right, welcome on board Red Dragon, a Ocean Voyager 78 on passage from Barcelona to Curacao. We've just anchored up, fixing a few things, and now we're back on our way, heading for the Straits of Gibraltar. As you can see, it's not your average catamaran. This is designed for the tourist industry. It can seat 78 people and 150 standing up, so quite unusual. But even though it's enormous in size, it is very small inside. We have accommodation for literally only 2 people in here. I don't know if you can make it out, but this is the crew berths, and there's only 2 of them, 1, 2. In there's the one of the main engines, and then you've got a small heads here, and then on the other side, which is where I live. Say hello, crew.
Hello. Hello.
Is where we have a galley. Very basic galley, and the other engine's in there. I sleep here. I arrange my cushions depending on whether it's day or night. And then there's another heads in here. Anyway, once we get somewhere nice and hot, which is where we're going, it should come into its own. And I can show you the great big main section there.